Bumenteri Rambak ke Jylla Okondat ke Sangma, ne kasmi balang ulapli ka Prime Meghapreneur Expo 2024, kebelalong Hamadan Polo Shillong, hakabalapin inam yang kitiar kitar, kimar kimata, mat kiwe ki belapin mi da ki pai Nongshongshnong ke Jylla. Kani ke Expo kan kut hakasni thok din jang katayo, balapin long ya kani da ke jing thu ban pin sapriang ya ka khubor jang ka jing job ki nong sengkam la jang hapo ke Jylla. Ki belala banyeng halaki jong ki kijat ban pinya yo ya ki mar ki mata ki tiar kitar ki jhur ki jhap ki jan ki nep ki marba mardi bat ki wei kini ki nong sengkam la jong klay thu bakilala ban pinya yo bha menta namar bakila yo kalat ban pin inam bat don ru ki lapin pau bakilala ban pin he ka kam ka jong ki Lyngba ka jingarap bat jingkersan na ka sarkar.
We have decided in our minds and in the policies that we're doing that we need to start somewhere. If we keep looking at the challenges, if we keep looking at the difficulties and we say, well, it doesn't look like it's going to be possible, I don't think we're going to get anywhere. So, the positive side is we have decided that we're going to start doing something about it. And for that, we need your support and your cooperation. And as mentioned by both our leaders who spoke before me, that this is only possible if all of us work together, cooperate with each other. Yes, there will be challenges and you will always find many things to say about, oh, why this and why not this. But the point is, we have to start somewhere. And as I said, you can be working with us as a team to support and make sure that we work with a target of actually achieving the different goals that we have, so that we are able to make Shillong great in terms of its overall beauty and also in terms of the overall infrastructure and the facilities that are there.
Ning kong eng sedang tanya usia dan dalam usia ini sedang persiapan dunia kisah persiapan kisah te dah hadin lawan ki sarkar ki iba ni don pasal tikiwan ai ki training hisnong lawan ai ki training dengi poi syakan ne bangin poi kat ne ni kendu bat kadak tikraf kalawan ai ki design kalawan ai ki bun jeki jing pendankan dengi la syuyok kin ke order nang kan dengi ni syutan bet ni syuan simbet wan simbet ini ketir nim system syur mentaban wat ya kayu namar kila sim order ada tadi dak tikraf
tolong ka jusukan yang ni ba ni la yok wan banya sementara kan ka official ni po dulu contoh prime ni wan na kaliang sotrun ini sotrun hoy mansya apa kayo ka hat saknyat ha mar ba nim yo kador ka tangkawe kador mentapat kilabu na company ni dadi ko yur ka ju kador ko tlang ka ju kador minta mengi hambo kasnong kathau nya ayo la kilok ni kisenrang ayo kami jam ba ni ayo kan penik sabar ko ka company ko Bangalore pa sa supply pa sa ari Europe ni po kasnong kathau ni suat ya suat ko isa ni suat isu bu freezer packing apa itu original dengan kamu ni isu
ya kini ki giant thing is source ben na po na bhai ya kini ki giant man so ya kini ki Jerusalem the source na bhai ki cyber na showay te ngit saya tray lang ka group ka team bangidana tingi design and then saya pemilang pada untuk mechanical collection te even ya kini ru kalau muntahi na ki waste fabric waste material kan itu ngisa design hakata karukam ban ya hab ban shimti kuma hakadi am kani ka fabric bagani ka ya pen ini combine pat hakata karukam ba kan ya blend hakat design kum to ini kita besma ni bare kini kijana di combine kum to ban pen one ya kawai ka garments kan instead bangin subrat ya kita kijana kum to pen jat kam gitu kan hadu mentate nama bangidang susdang kini ki upcycle production ti kadang subyang hingam perlar benong ba kala jad ha nama bangidang susdang ti kadang byang
berborok ni kena jengi jam impet kalau gini ki tiar ki wara apa tiar ready ni tiet pipe ni tiet kinar kena ini borok ki kam jam kalau ke small industry ki bagi tumbiang tum lagi installation ni lihat gini solar plant solar start borok gitu nak kasih jengi borok ki trailang dan ini kata ni kai ru ki ban nang kabut kuno baterai kan teknologi ban himai bukan za fitrai pi abut nai ini employ kian since everything is now chini apart from batteries and panels kan berka structure ke ini saya borok sini di borok ke experience ni ada bon ban borok ki ni ki kena snong bar ke snong ki kena sini ki install almost 40-50% na install whole Meghalaya every snong ni la itu na the day and every snong ni sab still have a good